All right, we're about to go on an RV trip. I've been contemplating doing this for months, probably really around the time the pandemic started. And Caroline has always been a no-go. She's never been camping before, so this would be her first time camping. And the only way I could convince her is if we got a really nice RV, so that she won't have to be roughing it at all. So we got a really nice RV. We're gonna head out and hopefully have a great trip. Are you ready for our trip?
Who's ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Kaylee's ready, Brady's ready.
Look at my drawing, Daddy.
Lookie's ready.
Daddy, look at my drawing.
Awesome. Mommy's ready.
Ready.
First time in RV for Mommy.
That's right. And Lukey.
And first time camping.
Hey.
After an amazing drive, we have arrived at our campsite.
Yeah.
What do you think of the campsite, buddy?
Good. And I have this Nerf gun.
There's this amazing Nerf gun.
Yeah, this goes super far.
It does. And Lukey's got one too. Hey, Lukey, show me your Nerf gun, buddy. Oh, he's just interested in the birds. Our fire started here.
Whoa.
And then we have
It didn't go that far.
unbelievable view of the ocean and the sun about to set over there, kind of behind the trees. And grilling up some food. Grilling up some good grub right here. What kind of animals do you see here?
Bats.
Yeah, where?
They're over here somewhere.
We just got done. What did we just get done doing, Brady?
Camping.
Camping, yeah. Well, we're just about to call it a night after telling some spooky stories.
Who had the best story? Lukey,
I
were
like
you-
the
were you
haunted
scared a little
house.
bit?
Yeah?
I like
Who
the
came up with the
haunted
haunted house?
Did you like
Brady.
the haunted house?
No, Daddy came up with the haunted house, right?
No, Brady,
Oh,
you
did he?
did the haunted farm.
You want to go
Oh.
inside? Are you
Well,
Awesome.
I came up with
Scared?
the monsters. Brady
scared,
came up with
Lukey?
the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lukey's scared.
All right. So we had a great time
Good night.
telling some stories by the fire, some spooky stories, but now it's time to go to bed.
It
See you tomorrow.